Hi students, so in this video we are going to see reading comprehension. So this is in your book page number 111. Read the following letter from a parent to her son's coach and answer the following given below. So here is a letter writing, and after reading this letter, so this letter writing is informal, it is a friendly letter. So this letter is written by a parent, that is a mother. So here the gender is her, so it is a mother. So mother is written to a son's coach. ஓகேவா, எங்களோட பையனோட கோச்சுக்கு வந்துட்டு ஒரு மதரை வந்துட்டு லெட்டர் எழுதுறாங்க. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் ரீடிங் திஸ் லெட்டர் we have to answer some questions. So here they have given the questions, so we have to answer these questions. Now we can enter into the poem, letter writing. Dear coach, thanks for the special gifts that you have given to my child. You learnt his name and spoke it often. You taught him the basics of the sport as well as special ways to improve and excel. Although you have a whole team of kids to mentor, you took time for individual instructions where needed. So first he is greeting the coach as dear coach, and then at the starting of the letter itself he is thanking that coach. Thank you for your special gifts you have given to my child. So he is thanking the coach for the special gifts that coach has given to his child. You learnt his name and spoke it often. So you refers to the coach. Okay, so he's her mother, that is the coach. How to say, that son's mother is saying to coach that he learnt his name, that is he learns her son name and spoke it often. அவனோட பேரை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு அவனை பற்றி அடிக்கடி வந்துட்டு என்ன பேசவும் ஆரம்பிச்சிங்க. You taught him the basics of the sport as well as the special ways to improve and excel. So you taught, so coach has taught. So the mother is saying that you taught, அதாவது நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு you have taught the basics of the sports, அதாவது ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்னால் என்ன, அதோட பேசிக்ஸ் என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு you have taught them as well as the special ways to improve and excel. So not only you have taught the basics and also you taught how to improve in sports and how to shine. So excel means how to shine. நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு பேசிக்ஸ் மட்டும் கற்றுக் கொடுக்கல, அதை எப்படி இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும், அதை எப்படி நம்ம ஷைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதையும் you have taught him. Although you have a whole team of kids to mentor, you took time for individual instructions where needed. So and also she is saying to the coach that you have lot of kids to mentor, but you took special individual instructions. You took a special time, you took individual time to give some instructions to her son. So for this he is thanking the coach. Under your care, I have watched him transform from a timid, doubting child to a strong, happy player willing to give all for the team. Throughout the season, when he gave his best, even though it was not quite enough to gain the extra point, you recognize his contribution with the pat on the back and encouraging words. So in the next paragraph, his mother, that is the son's mother, is saying to the coach that you took special care. I watched him, I also noticed him from how he has changed, because he is a timid child. Timid means a frightened child, and also he will be always in doubting whether it will be correct or not. இதை நம்ம செஞ்சால் கரெக்டாக இருக்குமா தப்பாக இருக்குமா, always he will be doubting. But I have changed, I have watched the transformation from that frightening and that doubting to a strong and happy player and willing to play in a team. அதாவது நான் அது வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பாக என் கண் கூட வந்துட்டு நான் பார்க்குறேன். I have saw the changes in my child. So mother is saying or conveying all these messages to coach. Throughout the season, when he gave his best, even though it was not quite enough to gain the extra points, you recognize his contribution with a pat on the back and encouraging words. So throughout the season, throughout the team, he gave his best, but whatever he gave his best, it is not they can't able to gain more points, they can't able to get extra points. But even though you have recognized his contribution, அவனுடைய பங்களிப்பை பார்த்துட்டு you have pat on the backனா தட்டி கொடுக்குறது, ஓகேவா, தொல்லை தட்டி கண்டிப்பாக உன்னால் முடியும்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறீங்களே. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ வித் என்கரேஜிங் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஸோ உங்களுடைய என்கரேஜிங் வேர்ட்ஸ்னால மட்டுமே தான் வந்துட்டு மை சன் ஹேஸ் சேஞ்ச்டு. So his mother is conveying to the coach. Your wise approach showed him that although winning is a goal, there are other goals just as worthy. He learned the value of finishing what he started and joy of personal accomplishment. These attributes carried him through a season that was full of hard work and fun, discouragement and resolved defeat and victory. So your wise, that is your practice and your guidance has approached him very well, because you have said that a winning is a goal, but other than goal there is also a worthy. And also you have thought, that is he learnட்னாவே அவர் டீச் பண்ணதாக தான் அர்த்தம். ஸோ he learned the values of finishing what he started. ஸோ அவங்க ஒரு விளையாட்டையோ இல்லை ஒரு செயலையோ ஆரம்பித்தான்னா யூ ஹவ் தாட் த வேல்யூஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபினிஷிங், அதை முடிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு சிந்தனையை வந்து அவனுக்குள்ளே உருவாக்குனதுக்கு ஷீ இஸ் தேங்கிங் த கோச் அண்ட் த ஜாய் ஆஃப் பர்சனல் அக்கம்ப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட். ஸோ அண்ட் ஆல்சோ த பர்சன் ஆஃப் ஃபுல் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனோட செய்யறதுக்கு வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் கற்றுக் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. தீஸ் அட்ரிபியூட்ஸ் கேரிடும் த்ரூ த சீசன் that was full of hard work, fun, discouragement, resolve, defeat and victory. So this practice, this guidance only carried him for the hard work. So in the guidance, in the success தான் வந்துட்டு என்னது நீங்கள் சொல்லி கொடுத்த ப்ராக்டிசஸ் எவ்ரி திங் தான் வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுது, அவனோடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க், ஃபன்னுக்கு, டிஸ்கரேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு, ரீசால்வ்னால் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம்லேருந்து எப்படி ரிசால்வ் பண்ணுறது, டிஃபீட்டு, விக்ட்ரிக்கு எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு கற்றுக் கொடுத்துருக்கு. And at the very end, at the championship meet, when he brought home his first place medal, you were among those who were so proud of how far he had came. So at the end, so she is ending the letter. So at the end, கடைசியாக நான் சொல்கிறேன், he brought the championship medal to the house that he got first place medal. So and you were the most among proud person for getting him that medal. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு அவன் வாங்கினதில் ரொம்ப பெருமையாக இருக்கும். அவன் வந்துட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்துட்டு இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ளேஸ் மெடல் வந்துட்டு வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வந்தது சாம்பியன்ஷிப் மீட்டில். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ வெற்றி டு ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஷீ இஸ் கன்வேயிங் இட் இஸ் அ வெற்றி, இந்தோட வெற்றி வந்து எல்லாத்துக்குமே தான். வாட் அசியூம்ஸ் மீ இஸ் யூ ஹாவ் taught them skills that will last a lifetime. ஸோ வாட் அமேசஸ்னால் இதில் என்ன சர்ப்ரைசிங். ஸோ மதர் இஸ் சேயிங் டு கோச், இதில் என்ன அமேசிங்னா நீங்கள் கற்றுக் கொடுத்தது, யூ ஹாவ் தாட், நீங்கள் கற்றுக் கொடுத்த ஸ்கில்ஸ் எல்லாமே லைஃப் லாங் வந்துட்டு வேலிட், லைஃப் லாங் அவனுக்கு உதவுற மாதிரி யூ ஹாவ் தாட் ஃபார் மை சன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஷி ஹவ் கன்வேட் த மெசேஜ் இன் திஸ் லெட்டர். You have kindled in them a desire to excel. ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, you have a கைடன்ஸ், நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு வழிகாட்டியாக இருந்திருக்கீங்க. அவங்கள ஷைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு புஷ் கொடுக்குற மாதிரி நீங்கள் இருந்திருக்கீங்க. The medal, trophies and ribbons are all the symbols of real gifts. The most certainly have had to come straight from your heart. So the medal, trophy, ribbons, or everything or the symbol of real gifts only. And also this everything will be direct from your heart only. இது கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுடைய ஹார்ட்லேருந்து கொடுத்துருப்பீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she is conveying to the coach. With appreciation a parent, so with appreciation because it is appreciation to the coach, right? So she has written with appreciation a parent. So now here there are the questions, 5 questions. So now you can read out the question and you can find out the answer. So while you have to read this paragraph twice and then only you have to answer the questions, right? So while you are answering the questions, you have to make a center, you have to make a correct sentence formation. That only is a main important in that. நீங்கள் பாட்டுக்கு வேறு ஆன்சர் மட்டும் எழுதி வைக்கக்கூடாது. You have to make a correct sentence formation. So the first question is, what did the coach teach the child? So what the coach has taught? See in the first paragraph itself, you taught him the basics. So you taught him the basics of sports as well as the special ways to improve and excel. So this is the actual answer, but how you have to write means, the coach taught the child. ஸோ இங்கே டீச்சுன்னு இருக்கிறதா தாட்டுன்னு மாற்றி, த கொஷினில் டீச்சுன்னு இருக்கும், அதை நீங்கள் தாட்டாக மாற்றி, த கோச் taught the child the basics of sport as well as special ways to improve and excel. So this will be the answer for the first one. So இங்கே வந்து teacher தாட்டாக மாற்றி and you have to write the answer there. So the next question is, what values did the child learnt? So the question is, what values did the child learnt? So that is also the answer is in your book. See in the next itself. See in third paragraph, he learnt the values of finishing what he started and the joy of personal accomplishment. So that is the answer for that. So here you can write here directly this itself, because here it is started in pronoun. So the he வந்துட்டு அந்த child தான் குறிக்குது. So he learnt அப்படின்னு ஆரம்பிக்கலாம், or you can write the child learnt. இந்த ஹீக்கு பதிலாக you can write the questionல இருக்கு இல்லையா, the child learned the values of finishing what he started and joy of personal accomplishment. So you can write like this also. So then now the third question, the parents notice some changes in child. What are they? So there is some changes. First in the second paragraph starting itself, see, you took under your care, I watched him transform. So I watched, I noticed, எல்லாமே ஒன்று தான். So how you have to write means, you have I watched அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு you have not to start the sentence. The child had transformed. So some changes you have to make there. Okay va, some changes are the sentence formation goes, some changes கொண்டு வந்துட்டு you have to take the answer from here, right? So the child had transformed, because past tense தானே எழுதுறோம். So transformed from a timid doubting child to a strong happy player to willing give all for a team. So this is the answer. இதில் இருந்து வரும். ஓகேவா, இதுக்கு முன்னாடினா இதெல்லாம் வரக்கூடாது. For instead of that you have to take the sentence from your question. The child had அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு transformed from a timid doubting child to a strong happy player willing to give all for the team. So that is the answer for the fourth question. Now we can move on to fourth question. Read the letter again and write a few lines on each of the following. So now they are saying in the fourth question, so they are saying you to read the letter again. So read the letter again and write few lines on each of the following. So they have given, see, things that coach thought, transformation in the child, things that amazed the writer. So here who's the writer? A parent is the writer, right? So the writer ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? So you have to, by this lines you have to write few lines about this. So how you should, first you should read the letter first. So and for the answer for the first one is things that coach thought. What is the things that coach thought? See in the first paragraph, basic of the sports as well as the ways to improve and excel. So this is the answer for the first one. And for the second B1, transformation in the child. So what is a transformation? He has transformed. So you have to write in sentence function. He has transformed from a timid, doubting child to a strong, happy player willing to give all for them. So this is the answer for the B. Next, C. Things that amaze the writer. Writer is a parent. In amaze, see in the last paragraph, what amazes me அப்படின்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுலேருந்து தான் the coach thought. You haveங்கிறத கோச்னு மாற்றிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ the coach taught them skills that last a lifetime. So this will be the answer for the C. So next, for the fifth one, find sentence or word from the text. So text means that is the letter writing which expresses the following, and they have given A, B, C. So what is the A? The parents earlier view of the child. So the parents earlier view. So earlier view எப்படி இருந்துச்சு அவனுக்கு? So first he was a timid and doubting child. So that is the early view. So here how you have to write means he was a timid and doubting child அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு you have to make a sentence. So the next one is one of the qualities of the teacher. So quality, ஒரு quality என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. So what is the quality? Your wise approach அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு quality. ஓகேவா? So here you can write the quality of the teacher is wise approach, or you can write wise approach is one of the qualities of teacher அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா? the sentence formation, how you have to write wise approach is one of the qualities of the teacher அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு you can make a sentence formation. The next one is word related to prize. ஸோ என்னென்ன வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ரிலேட்டட் டு ப்ரைஸாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு you have to write only the words. ஸோ இதுக்கு நீங்கள் சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் முடியாது. medal, trophy and ribbons are the word related to prize. Okay guys, up to this reading comprehension is over. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.